Hello students, today we will learn about the search engines and websites which are can be useful for academics and research purpose. Suppose we want to search some notes, some books, some study materials or quiz. Okay, so then we will go through those academic search engines. While if we want to search some research paper, some review paper, some latest new research, discoveries, some patents, then we have to go through the some research search engines. Okay, so there are a list of search engines which are useful for all these purposes. I have took some important examples here in this slide, and if you want to go for more detail and want to search many more other search engines, then there is a list given in the last in this slide you can see here. So go through this link and you will find the complete list. Okay, so for education purpose these are given like Massachusetts Institute of Technology or OpenCourseWare, iSeek Education, Merlot, okay, PDF Drive, Google Books, RefSeek. Okay, so all these are for the education purpose and some research purpose like Google Scholars, ResearchGate, NCBI, PubMed, etc. For DNA, amino acid, protein, if you want some sequences, some important uh, their structure, then you can go through the some research some databases, and these are DNA database data bank for of Japan, EMBL, European Bioinformatics Institute, GenBank, National Center for Biotechnology Information. Okay, whereas if you want to find out some amino acid and protein sequences and their study, then you can download them uh, via the Swissprot, Uniprot, PDB. Okay, and if you want some pathways, detailed pathway, okay, and signal transduction mechanism, then you can go through the all these search engines which are databases which are given here. This is a very short list, but I recommend you that if you want more, then you have to go through this complete list which is given here. I gave the link in the last. Okay, so one by one we will took some examples so that you can understand, and the rest you have to uh, do homework at your home. Okay, and I hope you will learn more new things. Okay, so let's start. First one is Merlot. Okay, so these all are hands-on session. I took the some I given here some basic key points so that you can identify that how step by step you have to go through the website and you have to find out the materials there. Okay, so first of all you have to go through this website. Okay, and then uh, go to the browse and materials, then click on the science and technology link, then biology link, then click on the genetics tab, then find out study material. Okay, so that is the basic principle of the genetics and so on. Go to the material, find out the new link and start reading there. Okay, so this is a simple basic only one example which I am giving you. But if you want some another material, like if you want material for the life sciences, if you want material for the chemical sciences, if you want material for the arts and humanities, everything is given there. This is a huge platform, and I think best material site is this. Okay, so have a look. Okay, now see here, I searched on the Google Merlot, right? Then I found the so many results here. Okay, this is the first Merlot Wikipedia. This is not correct. My research, my search uh, below this is given here. You can see merlot.org, right? So this is my search. I want to go through this. Okay, so if you read this, then you will find that is it correct or not. The Merlot system provides access to curated online learning and support material and content creation tools led by the international community of the educators. So this is my need. Okay, I want to search that. So this is my, okay, I'm clicking here. Okay, I found this here. Now you have to click on the browse option. Here lot of the another option are given also. I click on the browse and I found the material, member, learning exercises, bookmark collection, course e-portfolios, peer reviews, visual speakers bureau. Okay, and many more things are given there. Okay, if you want here to click on the ad communities, okay, but partner benefits, everything are given there. And I suggest you that first of all you have to click here. I already logged in, but if your account is not there, then please make a new account, and so that you can get more material. Otherwise, you are, suppose you are not a member of this Merlot, then you will not find more material. You will get only less material. Okay, so make an account, and then you will this is very uh, uh, this is very easy and completely free, so you need not to worry about it. Okay, make an account and then go to the browse and click on the material. Okay, I click on this material, then I'll find, okay, this is my result. Here you can see I click on the science section, right? Here I click in the left side, you can see here filter by discipline, right? So academic support and service, arts, business, education, humanities, mathematics and statistics, science and technology, social sciences, workforce development, everything are given there. If you want some animation, some videos, some case studies, collections, online courses, syllabus, tutorials, workshop and training material, everything are given there. Okay, so as per your need you can search here, right? So I want to search some material for the science and technology, suppose. So there are 48,683 materials are given there. So I click on this science and technology and I found this. Okay, now I again found the some more filter, like agriculture and environment science, astronomy, biology, chemistry, computer science, everything, right? I want to suppose click on this biology. 6,604 material are there. Okay, so I click on biology and I found this result. Again I found a more vast discipline list: biochemistry and biophysics, biodiversity, biological education, biotechnology and bioinformatics, botany, cell and molecular biology, comparative anatomy. Means lots of branches are given there. Suppose I want to search genetics, then I click on here and 727 material are given there. Okay, I found this. Okay, so here the genetics material for the genetics are sorted, and you can see 1 to 24 of the 727 results are there. I'm going below, finding some useful material for me. Okay, I want to search some tutorial material. Okay, this is the basic principles of the genetics, right? So here tutorial are given there, but if you want some animation, then also given there, simulations are given there, everything. Okay, so I want to search the basic principles of genetics. Here the tutorial is given by the Dennis O'Neil. Okay, I just want to go to the material. I click here, then I will find some option, pop-up option, and this is asking me that you are being taken to the material or another site, and this will open a new window. So I want to I want to do continue or not. Okay, so yes, I want to continue. Okay, then I click here. Okay, right, and I found this result. Sorry. Okay, I found this result and the basic principle of the genetics, and this course is before me. Now you can see here the topics. Okay, flashcards, crossword puzzle, additional information like glossary, web expedition, etc. are given there. Suppose I want to read the Mendel's genetics, then I have to click here. Whether I click Whenever I click here, then I found the some material for. Okay, see here, this is the Mendel's genetics, complete material is given. Okay, I can read it easily. Very beautiful material is given there with different type of color shadings, all those. Okay, suppose I read it completely and now I want to uh, check my knowledge level, then I can go to the practice quiz. Okay, suppose I click here, then okay, this is the practice quiz for Mendel's genetics. Okay, so this is very best material as I think. Okay, and I suggest that you have to go through this website and find different type of material for your purpose, study purpose, and grow your knowledge. Okay, so thank you all.